See how these short videos are getting tons of views. Instagram Reels and TikTok videos are raking in millions of views lately, and the best part is they are not hard to make. Some YouTube channels have skyrocketed from 0 to millions followers in just 5 months because these videos are super engaging to watch. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process on how to create viral historical videos. By the end of this, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to start attracting views across all social media platforms. Let's dive in. First, choose a historical fact. If you already have a topic in mind, great. But if not, don't worry. I've got a handy AI tool called Gravity Write that can help you discover hidden facts about any topic. On site, go to Social Media Tools. Choose Hidden Fact Finder. Enter keyword. For example, let's say we're exploring Queen Elizabeth the Peers of England. Once you've chosen your topic, select a fact to focus on. Then enter the number of facts that you want. Let's say 8. Then in advanced settings, you can choose a language. There are a lot of languages to choose your desire. Then click Create Content. Great! We have 8 unique facts, which we can use for our shots. Now just select a fact for which you're going to create a video. Once you've selected the fact, we need to make a script for our video. So let's go to the second step, which is to get the script. From this tool, we also can generate a script for your topic. And then search for script for historical facts. Here, paste the topic and click Create Content. As you can see, we've got the entire script for the topic. It has also given us image suggestions, which we can use for our videos. Once we have got the script, copy it. Let's get the voiceover. If you have an amazing voice, you can go ahead and record a voiceover. But the quicker way to do it is with the help of AI. We're going to use a popular tool called Elven Labs. This tool can convert any text into high-quality voiceover in any voice and language you want. Create a free account on Elven Labs. Now here, go to the voice library. Here you'll find different voices to choose from.
As usual at this delightful house where I often spent Christmas.
It's a profound truth that the deep things in science are not found because they are useful. They were found because it was possible to find them.
Just select the one you like. Click on Add to Voice. Now go to Projects, create a project. Select a voice over which you just added. Paste the script you got. Click Convert. Once converted, download the voice. And once you've got the voiceover, you're good to go. We need to get the visuals to create our video. So let's go to step 4, which is to generate the visuals. Now for the visuals, we're going to use Lexica. However, you can try different tools like Leonardo, AI, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly. Now on the dashboard of Lexia, enter the image prompt here. Remember when Gravity Write generated the script? It also gave us the image suggestions. Well, we can use them as our image prompt here. And paste it here. As you can see, it has generated different images. So select the one which looks the best and download it. In the same way, generate images for all the other script lines. Okay, once you have generated all the images, we're going to convert them into an animated video. To do that, we're going to use an AI tool called Lepix. First, sign up using your account. Now to convert this image into a video, just drag and drop the image here. Select the animation style you want, adjust the animation length, and you can experiment with these settings to make it look good. And once you're done, click Export. Now it will be downloaded in the same way. You can convert all your images into animation videos like this one. Once you're done, let's go to the final step where we are going to combine all the video clips into one to make it into a whole video. To do that, we're going to use an CapCut editing tool because its free tool have lots of AI features. Import all videos, images. Now drag and drop to timeline, add an audio. You can rearrange the images according to the script. And once you're done, let's play and see the video.
Did you know Queen Elizabeth I supported famous playwrights and musicians?
Okay, So now we have merged the audio and the video. Next, let's add the captions. So just go to the captions section. Click on Generate, and your captions are generated and added. If you want to change the style, just go here and select the font style and the color you want. You can choose from prepaid styles. Also can change font of text. Adjust the scale according your desire. To make the entire video look better, just go to Transitions, and you will find different transition effects here. Just select whichever one you like, and then apply it to your video. Lastly, add music. In CapCuts, have a lots of music, add which one you liked, and adjust music volume. Now, once you're done, let's have a look.
Did you know Queen Elizabeth I supported famous playwrights and musicians? She was a major patron of the arts during her reign.
The video looks amazing, right? Okay, now to download this video, click on Export located top right. Your exporting start in a few seconds, your video will be downloaded to your computer. You can upload this to your YouTube channel, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and see the audience's reaction. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the power to bring history to life through AI-generated videos. Dive into the past, unleash your creativity, and share your knowledge with the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.